We still have our workbook open from our last little video. So this one's, we're going to be talking about changing the way the workbook looks, or the view. Go to your Home tab if you're not there. Click in the A1. It should be active if you haven't clicked around. So you can click around and make a little green border tells you which cell is active. So click on A1. Let's just put a number in there, and let's type 456. And then hit Tab. Tab will take you to the cell that is to the right of where you're at. You can also go back. You can use the right arrow. You can use the down arrow, or up arrow, left arrow, depending on where you are and where you want to go. So select the A1, and on your Home tab, this is your Home ribbon. In the font group, this is called the dialog box launcher. This little arrow at the bottom right hand corner. So if you click on it, and it opens a dialog box titled Format Cells. And what we're going to do with this, we want to, let's leave the font choice the same. But let's make it bold. Let's make it 14. Click OK. If you notice, it changed our font, the way it displays in A1. And now, let's hit Tab, go to B1. Let's type in 456. If you notice, it's what it is by default. The formatting does not follow you into the next cell. So to create formatting for multiple cells, you're going to have to click and drag and select multiple cells. Let's go to the Page Layout tab, Page Layout ribbon. And on this ribbon, we can change multiple things about our workbook or about our page. We can change the margins. So right now, by default, they're set at normal. Our orientation, we can change it from portrait to landscape. We can change the size. So we can change it to legal if we want to. Or we're going to leave it on letter, because that's typically what you're going to print on from your printer. Print area, you can set the print area. Breaks, you can put in page breaks so that when it prints, it'll break at that point. You can put in a background image. Print titles, so you can adjust different things about your page. We can look at themes real quick. Change our theme. We'll get into all this later, but then each theme has colors, fonts, and effects. In the page layout, you can also see what they have here. Print titles. You can do a header or a footer that you can add to your pages. So you do all kinds of different things.